Welcome, I am Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. In this video, we're going to talk about the top ways on how to make part-time income from home. All right, this is my beginner's top 3 recommended ways on how to make money from home. If this is your first time ever checking out one of my videos or the channel, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you like this video, consider subscribing at the end. All right. So with the intro out of the way, let's get into the top 3 ways, my personal top 3 ways on how you can start generating part-time income from home right now. So I'm super excited to share with you guys these 3 part-time passive income online ideas that you guys could implement. And let's just jump right into number 1. All right. So my first one that I recommend is Teespring. Now, if you don't know what Teespring is, it is a place to where you can create not only t-shirts, but all different types of products. Teespring is amazing. All you do is literally take your design and put it on their products. And when you market these products, you can set them at any price that you want to. And when people make a purchase through your link, you earn the difference of whatever price that you set. All right. And you can create ebooks, you can create t-shirts. There's a bunch of stuff, podcasts, video files. I got a bunch of stuff. As you can see right here, unisex t-shirts right here. So but as you can see, the base cost is $16.94, right? So if you would put a design on this t-shirt, they're going to get their cut of $16.94, but you could sell that t-shirt for $25. You could sell that t-shirt for $30. You set your own price, and you keep the difference. All right. And they got so many different products, different types of t-shirts and hoodies and all this type of different stuff. But this is where you can create literally your own design t-shirts, your own products, right? So I started doing this. I'm super happy about it, super excited about sharing it with you. So be sure to check out my clothing brand at royalsmindset-clothing.com. That'll be the first link inside of the description, to where you guys can, I set this up really quickly. It didn't take a whole lot of time for me to do. I simply copy and pasted my designs onto the t-shirts and designed my website and bought a domain. All right, that's pretty much what I did. It didn't take me super long to do, and it looks amazing, guys. And it looks amazing. So creating a t-shirt brand or a clothing brand, which is very inexpensive, this is something that you guys can do starting with Teespring. All right. So tip number 2 on another part-time way you can create some passive income from home is creating an ebook. And you can either also go to Teespring and create an ebook there. You can also create an ebook for free at canva.com. You literally just take your information, put it on, or you can even do this with maybe even Microsoft Word, right? Create a cover, put your knowledge into a book. Everybody has knowledge about something. Everybody has something that they've experienced or that they've gone through. Maybe it's how to quit some type of addiction, or even gambling, or stopping to drink alcohol. There's data in your own head that you can formulate in a book that could help somebody else. You slap a price tag on it. It's helping someone do something or overcome something, and now you have yourself a product. All right, creating an ebook. And last tip I have for you as a way that you can start generating some part-time income from home, right, is on the biggest search engine that you're watching now, starting a YouTube channel. Now, full disclaimer, guys, a YouTube channel can be very passive. It can create a lot of income. But the thing about creating a YouTube channel is you're going to have to put a lot of work up front, right? You're going to have to build your audience. You're going to have to upload videos and be consistent in uploading videos that people want to watch. But over time, once you grow your subscribers, once you grow your audience and your following, you can be making money every month with your YouTube channel. You can sell products. This can be one of the biggest marketing engines for your online business and for your brand. and whatever you're trying to do online. YouTube absolutely can do that for you. All right. So these are my top 3 ways. They don't cost a whole lot of money to start up. You can actually start all these for free. You may have to buy a domain with Teespring, or you can use the one that's given, right? But they're very low They're very low startup cost. They're easy to implement and get started. And this is something that you can have in the next. You can have all 3 of these actually start up and set up within the next 30 days, guys. All right. So there is going to be some work on your end, but these are 3 passive income ideas that you can start making part-time money from home starting today if you get busy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found some value with it. Hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, Entrepreneur. I appreciate it. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless you.